हमारे प्राणतंत्र दामोदर की जो अधर सुधा जो गोपियों की एकमात्र जो है प्राप्त है, इनहेरेंट से इसके प्राप्त है। और ये बंसी या वेणु सुखी लकड़ी होकर के और छेद युक्त होकर के ये कैसे पान कर रहे, घूमते संग जग अवशिष्ट रस, यह तक भी नहीं है हमारे प्राणतंत्र की अधर सुधा की एक बूंद भी नहीं छोड़ते है। और देखो कैसे हम लोगों के सामने जिष्ट का प्रकाश करते है और कैसे वो आस्वादन करें। और ऐसे वेणु के सौभाग्य को देख करके वृंदावन में वृक्ष आदि पर्वत आदि।
So here Gopiya is complaining to the here gopis are complaining about the Venu flutes, that how Venu is so much fortunate that on the lips of Govind we have the right to take the relishment of that lips, but still this gopi who is a dry stick, she is relishing all kinds of rases.
और वृक्ष आदि ये भी क्या कर रहे हैं, प्रेम में दग्धीभूत होकर के।
So all the trees of Braj and the tears are falling down from their eyes, and they are saying, if somebody's dynasty, there is a Vaishnav took birth, or any highly person took birth,
श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति व जिस वंश में एक ऐसा ही वंशधर पैदा हुआ, जैसे आदिपुरुष के पूर्व एक वैष्णव संतान पैदा होने पर ये सब प्रसन्न होते हैं।
So this is describing it. The trees shed tears of love, delighted to have such a descendant in their dynasty, just as noble persons are delighted that a Vaishnav has taken birth in their family. If you want to hear Maharaj Ji in Hindi, so you can check in the Hindi page. Go my dear most Gurudev page और वहाँ पर चेक करिए, ठीक है। हरे कृष्णा। So one gopi says to another, "O Saki, I do not know what kind of highly pious activity this Venu, a dry piece of wood, has performed to profusely and independently relish the nectar of Shri Krishna's lips, which is meant to be enjoyed only by us gopis." So the other Saki is saying this Venu is so fortunate, there is no doubt in it. This Venu, this flute is so much fortunate. So which is very rare to everyone, but this is taking the relishment of the lips of our Pranakanta Govind, and she is getting the association of Krishna. Krishna never leave the Venu from his hand, even a second. While he was eating, he is sleeping, wherever he is going, he always takes the Venu. So our Acharya Pad used to say, Vrindavan Krishna, two things he always keeps with him. One is peacock feather and second is Venu. So this is the speciality of Vrindavan Krishna. In Mathura and Dwarka, Krishna doesn't keep peacock feather and Venu. But in the Vrindavan Krishna, this is the speciality of Vrindavan Krishna. He always keeps peacock feather and Venu. He never leave this both things for a while. So that wise gopis in this same feeling they are saying, look at the fortune of this Venu. She is so fortunate. There is no doubt in it. Because Govind always keeps the Venu in his hand, or because she is getting the association of Govind every time. Sometimes what happen if somebody is so much fortunate, so ankar, somebody is so much fortunate, so he got some ego which is called the Saubhagya Mad. So it is happened the same in the Rasasthali. Some gopis got Saubhagya Mad. They were so much intoxicated in fortune. What kind of fortunate? Because by the Yog Maya, all gopis are thinking that Krishna is one and only dancing with me, no, not with other gopis. So Krishna, he was taking many form at the same time because he is Bhagwan and he is dancing with all the gopis. Or even our Vishwanath Chakravarti says, Krishna was so much fast that by their arts when he was performing dance, so he was going one gopi to another gopi very fastly that she was not able to understand that he is with other gopi also. Just like if you round a fire stick very fastly, so what happen after some time you will see this is not a fire stick, there is a round of fire. So in the same way, what happened when Krishna was so much fast, dancing so much fast that he was going one gopi to another gopi, so all gopis were thinking that Krishna is only with me. And what Radhaji did? So Radhaji, so Radhaji, so Radhaji got to know, oh, Krishna is flirting with everyone because the one who is friend for all, he is not friend for everyone. Krishna used to say, I am the friend of everyone, but actually he is not friend of everyone. Krishna himself, because Krishna himself said, no one is my friend, no one is my enemy. मित्र नहीं है. So that's why there is a proverb, if somebody is friend for all, so he is not friend for anyone actually. So because there is a one point, the firm faith is like shortage of firm faith, or where is shortage of firm faith, so there is love is decreases there, diminishing form, love is not highly formed there. So there is that topmost madatar of love is not expressing there. So in this way, in the gopi's heart, she got Srimati Radhika, she got this kinds of bhav in her heart. Here Krishna is saying, hey Radhe, there is no one to me living except you. The sound is okay there? Can you check the comment? So this is the quality or symptoms of a lampat vyakti. So this is the Swarup Lakshana of Krishna. In the world, we have seen boy and girls, they are loving each other.
इतना लड़की से प्रेम करता है और जिसके मिलता है वही शब्द बोलता है.
So wherever he meet to any girl, he used to say the same word to everyone, that you are only mine.
जगत में जो प्रेम उसी की कहा है.
And this is called flirting.
लड़की से आप मिलते हैं
Whenever he meets every girl, he used to say the same words.
और सबसे जो है वो ऐसा खेल लेते हैं. और लड़के
And
भी उसी को
and in the same way, girls are also doing the same thing. So this is happening in this world. They used to say,
के साथ मिलते क्या
they used to meet so many with boys, and whenever they meet any boys, they used to say the same things. So this is the nature of this world. But in the transcendental world, it's not like that. Gopis, one and only, one pointed towards Krishna. Gopis are one pointed towards Krishna only. That's why in that world, there is no fault of gopis. Why gopis are not full of faults? Because there is only one Purush, who is Krishna or Sabhatra. So it is said that in the last dancer, Krishna is one and only Purush there, who is the Bhokta. He is the enjoyer only. He is the supreme enjoyer. There are two kinds of things in the Rasasas. One is enjoyer and second is enjoy. So all the gopis are enjoy. Krishna being one and only Purush, so everything is one pointed towards Krishna because he is the supreme enjoyer. So everything is one pointed towards Krishna. That's why there was no fault in Gopi's character. Even the transcendental flirting, we cannot impose to the gopis. Actually, the material flirting we cannot impose to transcendental world like the gopis, because every gopi is all one pointed towards Krishna. They cannot go except Krishna anywhere. So that's why there is nothing to say to gopis. If there are any other Purush, other persons, then we can impose gopis that they are not good character girls. That's why Uddhav he said one shlok. Ka ima. Uddhav had to say this way, where these all are Braj gopis or where I am. Kema striyo. In this world, in this material world, the people used to say bad words to ladies, but the gopis love, this is incredible. Why? Because they all are one pointed towards Krishna. In this world, the people are very so much in depth. So they used to impose. They used to fault finds in ladies. They used to say they are unchaste. Vanachari means the person who are wandering in the forest, and Vyavachar who are rascals. Actually, it is not true. Gopis are not Vyavichari, means who are not having relationship with other persons. So what is the meaning of Vyavachari? When one lady she make relationship with so many persons. In the scriptures it is said, स्वीकार करते हैं. So if somebody is staying with one woman or man, so this is called one lady is staying with one person, one boy, that is accepted by the scriptures. So scriptures allowed that.
हैं? जो कि 5 पति है, एकाधिक पति होने से इसके विरोध कहा जाता है। अरे द्रौपदी के लिए तो दूसरी बात है।
Draupadi, he is talking about one Prabhuji that Draupadi had the 5 husbands, so there is no fault in that Draupadi. So Dopi's character is different. Dopi's life story is different. Gopi,
इसी तरह केमा स्त्रियों
नहीं sorry,
व्यभिचारी,
Draupadi.
व्यभिचार, दुष्टा, जो लोग कहते हैं
The people who used to
व्यभिचारी
say
और व्यभिचारी,
Vanachari and Vyavachari. Vanachari means who is wandering in the forest, and Vyavachari who is having relationship with another person.
ये लोग सभी कृष्ण के भी प्रेम थे।
Because gopis all the one pointed towards Krishna,
और दूसरी जो एक शब्द जो कहा गया,
and one another word is said.
गोपियों के लिए विवाह को दिखा गया।
So gopis marriage ceremony was just showed. Actually, gopis doesn't have any kinds of relationship with their husbands.
हमारी जीव गोस्वामी
Our Jeev Goswami Pad in the Gopal Chambu, he has clarified
है, जब
when
ये समस्त ब्रज की कुमारियां
when all the Kumaris, when the girls of the Braj, when they become mature,
उनके विवाह के लिए उनकी माता पिता बहुत चिंतित
so for their marriage, their parents was so much conscious.
समय
So at that time, what Yogamaya did,
उनके माता पिता के सपनों में ऐसे कर दिया
she gave the dream to their parents,
उनकी सारे जो है बेटियां जो है
all kinds of their daughters,
निकाल दी।
they will got married with Krishna.
हैं? देखो ये भावना तैयार कर
So this kinds of feelings
और
or
दूसरी क्या की? अब
she
आप
arranged.
गोपियों के साथ मुझे विवाह हुआ। जैसे कृष्ण गोवत्स हरण के समय
When at the time of Govatsa Harana means when
सब गोपाल
calves and cow kidnapping, so what happened? Krishna got the form of all the cow, boys and cows and calves. So in the same way, Yogamaya, according to Gopal Champu Granth,
गोपियों की माता पिता
all the parents of gopis,
देखा क्या हमारे
what they saw in the dream that our
किंतु
our daughters got married with the gop.
सपने कहा जाता
This is called the Swapnik Viva.
और वो गोपियों की भी कोई पता नहीं था उनके विवाह हुआ कि नहीं।
And gopis was not aware that they got married or not.
जोगमाया
Just because of Yogamaya,
के साथ परकत्व लीला आदि संपादन
for Krishna, with Krishna, they would like to arrange a Parikatva Leela, and that's why for a while, very short time,
ऐसे भ्रम पैदा
so she create this illusion
साथ विवाह
that I have married with that gop. So gopis, for a while they are thinking that I am the another person. I have got married. So for making or relishing the Parikiya bhav, that's why Yogamaya created all kinds of leela. But actually, their marriage is just an Indrajalic illusion only. It is not true actually.
सपने में किसी से विवाह कर विवाह
If somebody got the marriage in dream with someone, so it is marriage. No, actually it is not like that. If somebody got married in the dream, so it is married?
विवाह हो जाता है क्या?
No, it's not true.
जहाँ पर कोई
And whenever your dream is broken, or you say the way I was there, where I was. So that's why Gopi's parents, they got this dream that our daughters got married with Gop. So this is just an illusion.
योगमाया की लीलाओं की
So this is the Leela of Yogamaya.
ना गोपियों के लिए विवाह हुई ना कुछ
Gopi never got married with any Gop.
यही जीव गोस्वामी पाद
So this is clarified by Jeev Goswami.
क्योंकि कृष्ण के साथ उनकी जो है ऐसे एक संबंध है
Because they have a eternal relationship with Krishna that they cannot imagine even for a while except Krishna. And in the Brahma Veda, Vaivak Puran and many Purans, it is showed that Radharani got married.
ब्रह्म वैवर्तन
In the Brahma Vaivak Puran, it is showed like that. Madhusmita Srimati Radha. according to the Brahma Vaivar Puran, it is mentioned in the Madhusmita Shri Radha that she got married.
वृषभानु महाराज
That in a very beautiful way, Vishwanu Maharaj. So their marriage ceremony was showed there very nicely. Why is that for? This is for just showing the people. It is all arranged by the Yog Maya. Actually, it's not true. It is just for illusion, just like illusion. When in this world we have seen these kinds of Leela, when because they all were performing the Narvat Leela, human being Leela, so that's why they have to create a taste for the people. And another thing we have to understand very carefully, before reading Bhagavad, we should understand, otherwise you will get doubt in your mind. What is kinds of doubt? Radha and other gopis, there is nothing marriage or like these things. So Jeev Goswami Path clearly clarified this all in Gopal Champu Granth. This is all just like a dreamy things. If you say that if they didn't get married, so how they are living, staying in their sasural like the husband's house? Because actually these gopis were very small, because they were not aware about the marriage and anything. What is marriage actually? They don't know. They were not aware about this. So what their parents said, okay, you have got married with this gop, so you should stay at his house. Even Gopi was not able to wear the clothes, know how to wear the clothes. So they was not aware of what is kinds of cloth and what we have to how they have to wear the clothes. So what happened at that time? Because they have very soft nature, so their heart was purely everybody's heart was pure that time. So what happened? There was nothing like calm and lusty desire in their hearts. So sometimes Gopi used to live their parental house, sometimes in their husband's house. So this is showed there. Actually, Krishna was performing the human being Leela. That's why the common person cannot understand. If we say that all the gopis are expansion of Krishna, and I am the Bhagwan, everybody is my or expansion, so it is not like that. There is no Leela ras in that, because he was performing human Leela, because he is performing Narvat Leela here, human being Leela. That's why everything was showed there. And Gopis age, Gopis was just 5 and 6 years old that time, not more than 8. When Krishna, so the things which is showing here, meeting with Krishna, so what kinds of relation they have with Krishna? Chirharan 7. So in the 6 years, in the 6-year-old Krishna got the Chirharan Leela, and in the 7 years he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. So what is the knowledge about how we can be aware, the child can be aware about all these things in just 6 or 7 years? Because our mind is so much contaminated, so much impious, impure. That's why we are thinking like that. When Krishna met with gopis, so in the Prakat Leela of Krishna, when he was performing this Leela, no Brajvasi was thinking like that Krishna has this kinds of relationship with gopis. but only few people know Yogamaya Purnamasi. Only few people aware about that. Little bit Balram also. So who preached these all things? Sukdev Goswami Pad in the Srimad Bhagavatam. What are, otherwise no one was aware with all these things. Krishna Sant Dasya Sakya Vatsalya or Madhurya, all kinds of introduction was given by Sukdev Goswami Pad. But so Krishna's has this kinds of relationship with gopis. Nobody was aware with that because Krishna used to meet with the gopis. So a little bit Rohini was aware with that. Krishna's Madhurya Leela. For hearing the Krishna's Madhurya Leela, we should understand this, that Krishna's Ras Leela and the meeting with gopis, nobody was aware with that. Yogamaya Purnamasi and little bit Rohini Devi. That Krishna used to do Ras Vilas with the gopis. He used to play flute, and whenever they used to play flute, they call the gopis. So who told this? Sukdev Goswami Pad. So this is all preached by Sukdev Goswami Pad. Before him, nobody was aware about that. So that's why in the Krishna's Prakat Leela, nobody was aware like this. So they were aware about this only things, that Krishna, that gopis has so much affection, little bit affection and love towards Krishna. So Krishna has the physical relationship like this with the gopis or meeting. So nobody was thinking like that. Nobody was aware about this. So we have to understand this thing very clearly. If somebody won't understand this, then he will be aparadhi. So people were thinking that Krishna is so much, how Krishna can do like this with the gopis, and gopis are vyavachari because they are having relationship with so many persons. So, if Viraji came to know, or if Vrajvasi aware about this, so how they can love Krishna like this? So much affection towards Krishna. If somebody has so much relationship with other, if any woman having relationship with many persons, so how you can tolerate these things? Nobody can tolerate. That's why our Vishwanath Chakravarti, so he has showed 4 kinds of Leela. One special Leela was that in the month of Magh, do you know our Magh month Leela? At the time of Magh month, Vishwanath Chakravarti showed that Srimati Radhika, she was thinking, this is the Magh month. So this is a very auspicious tithi. So get up early in the morning and go to Yamuna and Ganga, take a bath in Ganga and Yamuna. It is mentioned in the Bhagavad. This is told by Vishwanath Chakravarti. And then Radha and other gopis, in this month of Magh, they have taken oath that in the morning before Brahma Muhurat, we will go to take bath in Yamuna. All the gopis in the same way, under the guidance of Srimati Radhika, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, in the morning when they got up and they used to go to Yamuna for taking bath. And in the month of Magh, this is very auspicious. This is very cold month. So after Magh there is a Phagun. So this is called a very cold month. Third. Magh is so much cold. This is the winter time. So all the gopis got up early in the morning before Brahmapur. So they went to Yamuna or Ganga for taking bath. And Radhaji also was there. So
चोटिला के मन में एक भावना हुई
Jatila got one feeling in his mind.
कि ये सचमुच इतनी ठंडी में
So these all are going in this in so much winter. There is so much cold, and why they are going? Where are they going for taking bath? Maybe they are going to meet with Krishna. So Kutila was thinking like this, Jatila.
राधा जी अपनी
So one day what happened when Radhaji came out from the house?
चोटिला ने किया कि
So what Jatila did?
चोटिला और कुटिला
Jatila and Kutila.
उनके सास के नाम क्या है
Jatila,
कुटिला होगा
Kutila, Kutila.
जटिला को भाषा करो एक जटिल जटलाते हैं और कुट करता है
Kutila तो नंद थी शायद.
हैं?
नंद थी Kutila
कुटिला ननद है
शायद.
ननद ने विचार करने लगी
So Nanad was thinking where they are going.
राधा जी निकल जाने के साथ
When Radhaji,
उनको पीछे पीछे
so when Radhaji came out from the home, so they were chasing her.
जाने के बाद
So after some time, going so long,
ये विचार
so Kutila
अच्छा पहले देखे कृष्ण घर में है कि नहीं
Kutila thought in his mind that क्या सोचा?
कृष्ण घर में पहले है
हाँ, so they thought that Krishna, first we have to check that Krishna is in house or not.
कि कृष्ण के
So they have going to take bath in the Ganges or Yamune or for meeting with Krishna. So Kutila,
किया कि
what she did,
जाकर के नंद लाल में गए
she went to Nandale and asked to Ma Yashoda, Krishna is there. Where is your Krishna? Is it at your home? Ma Yashoda said, yes, Krishna is not. Actually, Krishna is not in the house.
वो जमुना स्नान
He has went for Yamuna Snan.
वही हो गया फिर
So they were thinking, oh, now they came to know.
जो मैं इतने दिन से जो
So what I was thinking for so long, now I will catch everybody.
आज मैं जाकर के
So I will catch them all
रंगीली रंगीली हाथ
with my rangili hand, range हाथों पकड़ना.
रंगीली हाथ रेड
So red-handed, I will caught them red-handed.
है और ब्रज में प्रचार करो
I will catch them and will preach all over the Braj. They have a relationship like this.
वास्तव में इस दिन की भी ऐसी भी है लीला भी है भगवान
So this is a leela. This is a leela of Bhagwan. What kind of leela is doing? Only he knows.
कृष्ण उस दिन
So at that day, Krishna,
जमुना में स्नान
he was taking bath in Yamuna. Radha.
सुंदर कुंज में जब विलास आदि करने
So when he was doing Vilas Leela in the Kunj and other gopis, there were many sakhis like Lalita Vishakha and Rupamanji. They were there. So at that time, what happened? Their Rati Manjari came out from the Kunj, and when she came out, she saw Kutila. Kutila is coming there. She saw Kutila is coming.
कुटिला आ रहे जाकर के जोड़ी जोड़ी जाकर के समाचार
So she instantly gave the news to.
मिनट में जो कुटिला आज इधर आ
Within 2 minutes, Kutila will be here. So everybody has to be alert.
सब जो है
Everybody was afraid how Kutila can come.
कार सुनते
Just like if somebody is hearing the roar of lion, so the DS became so much afraid. So in the same way, they all were thinking where to go now.
अथवा रैबिट के भांति
Just like Khargosh, just like hearing the roar of lions, rabbit goes into the nest or their house, their holes. In the same way, gopis were thinking that what to do now.
कृष्ण ऐसे जान कृष्ण देख करके सब गोपियों की चल रही तुम चिंता मत करो
Krishna, seeing that scenario, he said, "Don't worry, I am here.
ऐसे
Whatever it is there, don't worry. Let it be."
उस कुंज से
So at that meantime, what happened? Krishna disappeared from the Kunj. So at that time, Kutila came there,
कुटिला आकर के
and
दरवाजा खटखटाया
Kutila knocked the door. Tuck, 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 tuck. Nobody opened that.
उन्होंने क्या किया आप उसमें तो
So maybe,
मंदिर में ही है
so Kutila was thinking, yes, Krishna must be inside there. Something is happening there.
मन में विचार है
So Kutila thought this in her mind.
और कृष्ण
Maybe Radha and Krishna in this Kunj, for sure.
जबरदस्ती
So she was knocking the door so much nicely, and she kicked the door, and door was open. She broke the door. So what she saw, that Radha and Krishna was not there,
कृष्ण के अंदर अंदर कृष्ण
because she was smelling the Krishna's fragrance. So she said, "Oh, Krishna must be here."
अपने कुटिला चारों तरफ देखा
Kutila saw everywhere, but Krishna is not there. But there is just Pitambar.
पड़ा हुआ है
Krishna's garland was there only.
कृष्ण जो माला धारण किया था
Krishna, whatever the mala garland he was put on, that was only there. So
है ही नहीं आए
Kutila asked that where is Krishna because there is his garlands. Where is he? So Gopiya said, no, we don't know. He was not here. I know this is Krishna's garlands. He must be here. So now what they did? She 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 took the garland and she showed everybody to in the Braj. This is Krishna's mala, Krishna's garland. And here Krishna is not inferior because he is Leela Purushottam. So what he did? Shida Abhimanyu. Oh, she got the form of Abhimanyu. Krishna got the form of Abhimanyu, the Kutila's brother. So when he got this form, Abhimanyu form, so he went to Yamuna's bank. And Kutila said, oh brother, where are you coming from? So he said, look, today I went to plough the field today. So my ox, so wherever he ran away, I don't know. I'm just searching him. Where is he? So Krishna in the form of Abhimanyu said, Arey, oh sister, Abhimanyu. Oh sister, I went for plowing the field today. So one of my ox, it ran away somewhere. So that's why I'm searching him here and there. So that's why I have came here. So he said, why have you come here? Because you have very soft, delicate body. So have you come here to take bath in the Yamuna? So she said, no, bhaiya, I am not just here for taking bath. I am just here. So Radha, your wife, Radha used to say every day, I am going to take bath in the Yamuna, but actually it is useless. She is not coming for taking bath in the Yamuna. Krishna and Radha, they used to meet here, and I was chasing them, following them. Then I saw everything on my eyes. But Krishna was not there. But still, I have his garland in my hand. So you recognize his garland? So Krishna said in the form of Abhimanyu, oh, very nice. You did a nice job. Oh, give me his garland. So carrying this mala, I will go to Kans. Because in the Braj, Nanda Maharaj's son in the Braj, he is very fool. He is dhurt. He never leave any ladies in the gopis. He always tease everybody. Kans ko. So I will give the news to the Kans. So Kans will all his soldiers, he will go to Nanda Maharaj and punish Krishna. Or and you go to home. I will take care of that. And this is our, this is the matter of our home. So do not tell to anybody, because otherwise people criticize you and mine too. Because my wife Radha is having affair with any other person. So this is criticism thing. So oh my dear sister, you are so wise. You are very gentle and intelligent. So that's why you don't tell these things to anybody. I am going to Kans. I'm going to Mathura for giving the news to Kans. Then Kans will come and do one thing here. This Krishna is very mayavi. He is very dhurt. Sometimes he can take in my form also. That's why you do one thing. Before the house, take the broomstick. Because maybe he can take my form. So whenever he come in my form, so you can beat him, because I am going to Mathura. So the Kutila said, okay brother, no problem. So Srimati Radhika, very quickly, she went out from the Kunj and she went to her house in the Javat. So Kutila was not aware about that. Now, what happened here? Krishna is Bhagwan himself, Leela Purushottam Bhagwan. So he was on the top with Radhaji, on the roof with Radhaji. Because what the Leela was going to happen. So what happened? Kutila took the broomstick. At that time, Abhimanyu, the original Abhimanyu, the brother of Kutila. So after plowing the field, he was so thirsty after pulling the field. So he thought that I will go to home and take water. So whenever Kutila saw the Abhimanyu, she started beating him with the broomstick. Oh, you have taken the form of Abhimanyu. You are Krishna. So, she was, he was thinking, oh, what happened? There is a ghost has come on my sister. And Radha Krishna watching from the roof. All the scenes was they were watching there, and they were laughing. So, this kinds of all Leela described. This is the Magh month Leela, Magh Mas Leela. So Leela Purushottam, whatever kinds of Leela they are doing, who knows? So this Katha, so Krishna's meeting with other gopis, actually no Brajvasi was aware about that. So now we come to the Katha and we will end up here because the Kirtan is started. So Gopis was describing the fortune of the Venu, of the Vanshi, because so now there is a little bit enviness here. First time they were presenting very humbly, and now they are feeling little bit jealousy from the Venu, that this Vanshi or Venu, she is so much dhurt, dheet. So she is thinking that her sampatti dhurt manus.
दामोदर गोवंश में गोप वंश में पैदा हुए हैं,
So Gopis was thinking that we have the right to take the relishment of the lips of Govinda. So because Krishna got birth in the Gopavansh, and we are also in the Gopavansh. So since birth we have loved each other. He is our Priyatam, so that's why we have the right to take the relishment of his lips. But that Drishta Nirdlaj Venu, so whatever the Janma birthright we have, now she has snatched from us, and she is relishing the rasa of the Govind lips. So Gopis are feeling enviness here. So just because of Venu's fortune, we are neglecting of taking the relishment of Govind lips. There are how many kinds of Sanchari Bhav? 33 types of Sanchari Bhav. This Sanchari means just like ocean. Sometimes what happen for glorifying the ocean, what happened when for increasing the beauty of ocean, waves comes and ups. In the same way, what happened? Gopis क्या कह रही हैं? Gopis are increasing the and praising the Venu. स्थाई भाव संचरित क्या गुरुदेव क्या संचारी भाव, वो एक बार दोबारा बता दीजिए. संचारी and व्यभिचारी, there are two kinds of भाव.
ये स्थाई भाव को क्या करता है? स्थित करता है, स्थित कराते हैं, बढ़ाते हैं.
They increase the संचारी भाव, स्थाई भाव, sorry.
सभी कहाँ तक स्थाई भाव पे चलते हैं?
This is all the Vaishishta of Rasa Shastra. Now gopis here, they are feeling little enviness, jealousy.
है इसी तरह ये धृष्ट पहले तो वेणु के महात्मा
First,
वर्णन किया
first gopis was glorifying Venu, but now they are saying this is drasht. She is drasht. She is nirlajja.
और
Very
गोपियों की
ashamed.
जन्मसिद्ध जो है
Because we have the only birthright to take the relishment of the Govinda lips, but now she is taking all of them.
ये पान कर रही है। अरे हमारे कृष्ण तो हमारे गोपी वंश में जन्म ग्रहण किया
इसमें से देखना पड़ेगा.
गोविंद नंदन कृष्ण की अधमृता राम के जो पान से वंचित हुए किंतु वेणु सावर वृक्ष वंश में जन्म लेकर भी निरंतर कृष्ण अधमृता पान करता है। वह भी पुरुष रूप में हमें अंगूठा दिखाकर यहाँ पर वेणु क्या कह रहे पुरुष पुरुष को अधिकार नहीं है।
So here they are describing, gopis are describing the Venu that he is Purush, and a Purush cannot relish the lips of the other Purush.
किंतु देखो ये पुरुष जाति होकर
Because they are saying that the Venu is the Purush jati,
और कैसे हम लोग के ऊपर कैसे चिढ़ा रहे हैं।
and she is chidana. She is teasing us.
चिढ़ाना जानते हो
Teasing?
चिढ़ा को क्या बोलते हैं टीजिंग
Yes.
है
That this Venu,
गोपी दिखा रहे हैं। अरे गोपियों देख
then this Venu is teasing us. Oh, Gopi, look that your assets, your sambhati, the lips of Govind. Now I am relishing it.
और देखो एक ऐसी इसलिए कहते हैं अच्छा सभी फिर गई दो आगे ईर्षा फिर हो जाता फिर गई दो।
So sometimes they are expressing their enviness, sometimes they are glorifying the Venu or glorifying the fortune of the gopis.
उस समय
So now they are saying, oh Saki, please tell me one thing.
कृष्ण के साथ हम लोग के जो प्रेम प्रति
When we do the Prem Preeti with Krishna, but there was no much smell of Venu there.
जब कृष्ण गोचारण करना प्रारंभ किया
When Krishna started cowherding,
ये कहा किंतु ये सब करना है ये करो कृष्ण बचपन से ही वेणु को रखते हैं
Krishna kept the Venu in his hand from since his childhood. When Krishna was young, so he used to keep the Venu in his hand always. But that's why gopis are saying,
कब हाथ में लेकर ये सदा करते
when Krishna used to take a Venu in his hand always and run always when he started the cow herding. So in this way, the gopis are saying at the same time, from that time
गोचारण करना प्रारंभ किया
when Krishna started cow herding, so since then
संबंध हुआ
there is a relationship with Venu and Krishna.
जिससे ही कृष्ण अधर्म व्रत का पूर्ण उत्तराधिकारी बन गए।
That's why this Venu became the adhikari of the relishment of Govind lips.
हम गोपियों के बचपन से ही कृष्ण के प्यार करने पर ही
So we gopis are loving Krishna from the birth, but we are neglecting by our adhikar
गोपी जन्म से
or neglecting by our possessions. So that's why this Venu should be punished. There are two kinds of disciple.
एक स्वकीय शिष्य होता है
One is Swakiya and another is Parkiya.
हैं? समझ में आता नहीं? अच्छा चलो गुरु जब शिष्य नहीं देते कि दीक्षा नहीं
When Guru never don't give the diksha,
जो होता है उससे सेवा आदि
so the person who are staying with him or serves him,
गुरु जब शिष्य कर लेते हैं
and when Guru
तो क्या होता है उससे स्वकीय शिष्य हो जाता है।
when Guru took the disciples, give the initiation to disciples, so what he has become the Swakiya Shishya.
यहाँ पर परज्ञा शब्द को श्रेष्ठ कहा जाता है।
So Parikya means the topmost, Shreshta.
आज
But
जो शिष्य होता है
who is
वो
this,
अपने अभिमान रखते हैं
who is the disciple?
लड़ाई है
Who is the disciple of his Guru? They have this kind of he is my Guru,
के साथ हुआ
because
गुरु के साथ तो मेरे कितने दिन से संबंध है।
so another person, the Parkya Bhav disciple, he said, oh, you have the just relationship with your Guru, but I am serving him for last many years. So in the same way,
साथ गोपियों के साथ
so gopis are saying, gopis are fighting with the Venu in this way.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
what are the Venus gopis are saying? Arik, we have the relationship with Krishna since our birth, but when you have the relationship when Krishna started cow herding.
वो चारण करने के लिए इसके साथ तुम्हारी क्या संबंध है?
So what kinds of relationship with you have with Krishna? We are so old.
तो इस पर गुरु के साथ कोई संबंध नहीं था,
When
है?
so here he is comparing like when Gurudev was taking service from some person, so he was not his disciple, but still he was serving him. But when his disciples comes and he Gurudev give the initiation to him, so now Gurudev disciples have the relationship with Gurudev. In the same way, gopis are saying like that. We have the relationship with the Krishna since our birth, but you have the relationship with Krishna when he has started the cow herding.
ये बेनो देखो कृष्ण अधर्म का उत्तराधिकारी बन गए। हम गोपियों की बचपन से कृष्ण के प्यार करने पर भी उत्तराधिकारी से वंचित हुए। इसलिए कहते हैं सखी गोपी जन्म से बेनु जन्म ही श्रेष्ठ। हम बेनु के ऐसा सौभाग्य देखकर इस बेनु के ऐसा सौभाग्य देखकर वृक्ष फूल नहीं, हाँ इस बेनु का ऐसा सौभाग्य देखकर वृक्ष फूले नहीं समाते, यो फूलों भर जाते हैं। यह पर गोपियाँ करें देखो।
So gopis are saying,
सौभाग्य देख करके
seeing this kind of fortune of Venu,
कैसे पुलकित हो रहा है,
trees are also so much getting pleasure.
कैसे पुलकित हो रहे हैं? फूलों आदि के द्वारा, फलों आदि के द्वारा पुलकित।
So how they are feeling their pleasure by the flowers, by the fruits.
लगता है मानो अपनी संतान का ऐसे परम सौभाग्य दर्शन कर रोमांचित हो रहे हैं और गर्व से प्रेमास्त्र विसर्जन कर रहे हैं। ऐसे क्यों न हो? वेणु बांस से बना हुआ है तथा बांस वंश की श्रेणी में भी आता है। बांस नदियाँ और सरोवर के जल से पुष्ट होता है, उसका जल नहीं है बल्कि उसके लिए दुग्ध है, और तो नदियाँ और सरोवर बांसों की माताएं वे माताएं अर्थात जमुना, मानसगंगा, मानस सरोवर, पावन सरोवर, कुसुम सरोवर आदि अपनी या दुर्लभ सौभाग्य देखकर कृष्ण के बहन से कभी कभी हंस रही है, कभी अपनी ऊंची नीची तरंग के माध्यम से बड़े उल्लास से आह्लादित हो रही है, तो कभी आनंद और बहा रही है दुनिया के भाग में। अर्थात मानसी गंगा आदि की देख करके गोपियों की
So seeing the Mansi Ganga and other gopis were so much their heart is melted. They are saying, look at the fortune of them. How?
बेनु इनकी कुल में तो
Because Venu got birth in their dynasty,
और इससे ये लोग कैसे प्रसन्न हुए?
and how they are
मैंने कहा
just seeing them,
एक वैष्णव
just seeing them that Venu, how they are feeling so much happiness and pleasure. Because I told you that if somebody got birth, if a Vaishnav birth in somebody's family in some dynasty, so the parents or forefather feel so much happiness or pleasure. In the same way, gopis are saying this Mansi Ganga and others are so much feeling fortunate themselves because Venu got birth in their dynasty.
इसलिए आनंद अश्रु बाहर महाभगवती गोपियाँ इस प्रकार बेनु की सौभाग्य और अपने
So this way Mahabhagavati gopis are expressing the fortune of Venu, and they are assuming or on their fortune.
जन्म में कोई कठिन तपस्या
So they were saying that maybe this Venu has done so much austerities in their previous birth. That's why they are getting this kinds of lips of Govind. If we have done any kinds of austerities, so we will get the same result, same fruit.
क्या होता है?
So this is called the Mahabhav stage.
तीर्थ जोनि प्राप्ति करने की
So in the Mahabhav stage,
मनुष्य जन्म के द्वारा कृष्ण की प्राप्ति ये हमारे सौभाग्य है।
so by the human form you get the Krishna, it is not possible.
मनुष्य छोड़ करके
Except Manushya,
पक्षी वृक्ष लता आदि से जन्म ग्रहण करे तो कृष्ण की मिलन सुख हम
so gopis are saying that it is not possible to take the birth in the human form that we can get Krishna. But if we get the birth in the trees and other forms, so maybe we can get Krishna. So Purnamasi,
इसलिए कह रहे हैं देखो पूर्ण कर दो। यदि हम इस ढंग से थे तो हम ऐसे तपस्या कर पूर्ण कार्य पर ऐसे दुर्लभ सुख प्राप्त करें। चलो हम किसके पास जाए पूछने के लिए?
so gopis are saying now where we will go to for ask for this because she is we will go to Purnamasi. She will let us know because Purnamasi is know everything. She knows past, future, and present.
उसके आदेश के अनुसार
So now asking him, asking the Purnamasi Devi, we will follow her instructions
वेणु के भांति सौभाग्य
so that we get the fortune like Venu.
सनातन गोस्वामी का के उदय
So according to the Sanatana Goswami Path, there is a shlok.
अपने प्रिय ललिता से भी अपने भावों का प्रकट कर रही है। विभिन्न उक्तियों को अनुभावों के द्वारा विश्लेषण करने पर यह स्पष्ट होता है कि जो प्रेम बौद्धिक और महाभाव की कथा है। कंक्लूजन दे रहे हैं
So there is a conclusion that
महाभाव की बौद्धिक और महाभाव की
this shloka is the conclusion of Adurud Mahabhav. बोलो भैया गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। जय जय श्री राधे।
ये सब नया है, कोई सुना नहीं। सबके लिए नया है। कथा जी भी एक बार सुन लीजिए, सुना बोलिए। कभी नहीं जितने बार सुनोगे उतने आपके जीवन क्या होला? आने में सबसे श्रवण किया। श्रवण के फल होता है जो नहीं इस कथा कभी नहीं